Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've been here for a while, then you probably remember this space as Makeup Side. This channel started with beauty tutorials, hair content, get ready with me's, unboxing, lifestyle videos, vlogs, and honestly, whatever season of life I was in at the time, that's probably what I was filming. And while a lot has changed since then, so much of me is still the same. I still love beauty. I still love creating. I still love sharing my life. And I still love bringing you all along for the journey. But over the last few years, God has been doing something new in me. Not a complete transformation into someone else new, but a deeper version of who He always called me to be. As life began to change, I realized I wanted this channel to reflect the life I'm actually living, a life centered around Christ. So welcome to It's Queen Side. It's not a completely different channel, not a completely different person, just a new chapter. And before anyone asks, no, I'm not deleting any of my old videos, okay? Those videos are a part of my story. I took a lot of energy and time and effort to creating those videos, so why should I delete them just because I feel like my life is different? They're a reminder of where I started, of how much I've grown, and the different seasons that have shaped me into to who I am today. I want my new viewers and the longtime subscribers, hey y'all, to be able to look back and see the journey for themselves, from Makeup Side to It's Queen Side. Not because I've abandoned who I was, but because every chapter has led me here. And don't worry, the beauty content isn't going anywhere. As you can see, you'll still see tutorials, you'll still see unboxings, you'll still see get ready with me's, lifestyle content, blogs, and all the fun things we've created. It'll just be a season of God. This season of life has been full of growth, change, and so many blessings over the time that I found myself being more open to the new things that God has for me. So even as I spend time with family, I've celebrated birthdays and milestones and memories with my church family. I took the time out to smell the coffee, if that that's the saying they say, and just enjoying life as it is. I spent time watching my beautiful niece get birthed into this world. I have never experienced childbirth up close and personal, so that was such a blessing. I've spent quality time with my boyfriend and also with the people I love. Um, I've started new projects. I stepped out on faith and I learned what it looks like to trust God in ways I've never had before. And one thing I've learned is that faith isn't just something we talk about. It's something that we live. And that's exactly what the season has been teaching me. Not because I have everything figured out, not because I'm some perfect Christian, but because my relationship with God has become too important not to share. The difference is that now you'll also get more of my faith journey, more of what God is teaching me, the lessons I'm learning, the victories, the struggles, the everyday moments that comes with following Jesus. Along the way, I've started some projects that are very close to my heart. I've launched my website, the Journal Chronicles, a place where I can, share resources, the projects I'm working on, the creative ideas that God has placed on my heart. I even started my video diary, the Chronicles of the Struggling Christian, where I can be honest about my ups and downs and questions and lessons and reality of what it means to walk with Christ. And I even launched my prayer journal, a project that was born from my own desires to grow deeper in my relationship with God and just helping others do the same. While I was working a job that I didn't really like after a while, God birthed that idea in me and it just been a blessing ever since. And all of these things are reminded that obedience may not always be easy, but it is always worth it. Trust me. So this channel is becoming a place where faith and lifestyle meets, a place where we can talk about God and still enjoy the beauties of life. Okay. Just because we're a Christian does not mean that it's boring. Okay. A place where I can share what God is teaching me in real time. So whether you've been here since Makeup Side days or you're just finding me now, I truly, truly thank you for being here. Thank you for growing with me. Thank you for supporting me through every season. And I am truly excited for what's ahead. And I can't wait to share the next chapter with you. This isn't goodbye to who I've become. It's more of a hello to who I'm becoming. So with that, welcome to It's Queen Side. Subscribe to the channel.